Hello, everyone. You're welcome, and this is a mini demo of Sealed app, and we'll just be taking a run through the functionalities of Sealed app. So you can easily access our web app by just going to sealedapp.org. I will be reloading the page. Once you log in or once you reload the page, you just easily are able to see a fresh page just as it is, and you have access to basically everything that it offers. So very quickly, this is the user interface that you meet when you start logging in, once you sign on or go to the web app itself. From here, you are able to see the services that we offer, and we basically explain what we are trying to do, bringing legal services to you. And we basically let you know what we are good for, users who need legal services, providing an earning system for lawyers and supporting vertical growth of companies. And of course, we have to show you how we work. We also collaborate with verified lawyers, and you are able to have access to lawyers that have varying areas of practice. And I will show you in detail. And most importantly, you are also able to download our mobile application, which we are making available on the Apple and Android store. We basically also still show you how we work. So all you have to do is request a service, submit your data and fee, and of course we deliver. So very quickly, you are able to know about us, what we do, you understand better, and you can reach out, and it's displayed here. We still, give a brief breakdown on what we offer, and we basically explain to you what our value propositions are. You are able to know what we do, and we provide a more detailed explanation of the services that we offer. So it's easy for anyone to understand what we offer. Here we give detailed explanations, more explanations on registering your company, searching for a business name, changing your name, or generating contract documents. You're also able to know how to locate a lawyer, and it's a free service for registered users and lawyers. And also, you are also able to generate the deed of gift or any form of contract as you deem fit. And most importantly, if you have questions, you can always reach out to us on via our contact us tab. So very quickly, let's log in and let's see what we have to offer. But before that, I would love to show you more detailed explanation on how Sealed app works, because we realize that a lot of people may come into the page and they're like, okay, they are confused, they just want to know and get specific. So we provide a user interface that basically there is no way you won't be able to understand what we offer, how we offer it, and how important it is, right? So we have a dedicated page to learn how Sealed app works, and you're able to see every other service that we offer, whether you're a lawyer, if you want to do a name search. Of course, Sealed app is built to work across your devices, and basically we explain in detail how it works. Select a service, make your payment, choose how to submit your data, you fill your information and submit, and this goes across all services. And of course, how lawyers use Sealed app as well. Great, fantastic. So let's get to the juicy part of it, which is logging in, right? So very quickly, I will just be doing that. So you can, in logging in, you can choose, as you can see, we also have a chat bot as well that enables you to communicate directly with the app. And of course, we have specified responses that are available. But let's see how we can create an account, shall we? That's assuming if you're just coming into the app for the first time and you would really want to register your account. And let's just say you want to create an account for yourself. It's very easy. All you have to do is put in your full name, your email address, your password, and you can, at this point, yes, you can choose to register as a user or a legal practitioner. As I've shown already, the previous interfaces already show how it works. And of course, you have to agree to our terms and conditions. And very quickly, all you have to do is create an account, and you are able to get immediate access based on that. However, because I have an account, I'll just be showing a very short demo. So actually be logging in to my own account, which can as you can see, is very easy to do. So very quickly, I'll be logging into my account, which is already saved, and putting in my password and basically signing in. And so in this process, it's very, very easy to, assess whatever service you're looking for. So let's see how my dashboard looks like. Great. So I've logged in, and as you can see, I have my profile page. So my profile, basically, I can update my profile. I can add my phone number. I have my project page. So for tasks that I, issue to the app, my security settings, and my notifications. So at this point, I can choose to say, okay, I want to register a company, do a business name search, change of name, create a contract, or need a lawyer. I can also search for a lawyer using that. So let's assume that I want to do or pick one of these services. So as you can see, I can search for a lawyer, and I can filter by category, my areas of practice, years of experience, and location, right? But let's just assume that I want to register a company. So what I simply do is go here, and I'm able to see. So I basically explain, the app basically explains what you need. So you are basically to select your service, make your payment, submit your data. And so I just click, I want to proceed. And at the point where I want to proceed, I will be taken to the payment page or the subscription page, which to me is the most fundamental part of using this service itself. It's a paid service, and the app basically offers two forms of service, either a pay per transaction use or a subscription-based plan. So whatever works for you, you are able to see all the options that are available. So coming here, you're able to make your payment, and of course, you already see the prices of all the products or all the services you need. You want to register your business name, you can choose what options. You can choose to make a one-time payment, or you can choose a subscription plan, which I'll be showing you shortly. So I'm currently at the payment page. So like I said, you can choose to make a one-time payment. So if you want to do a one-time payment, I don't want stress, let me register and be good. You can make a one-time payment. So let's say we want to register our business name. You can just do that, and we just click the one-time payment, which we have as our payment partners. And as you can see, once your payment is made, it takes you to the form directory, which I will be showing you now. However, if you decide and say, okay, I don't want to make a one-time payment, let's see what the subscription plans are, then of course it takes me, I can click the subscription based package, and I'm able to see what. Of course, the subscription plans cut across all the services, so you're able to see every single thing that app offers. So these are pricing plans. We offer half yearly and annual payment plans. Your alpha plan, silver, gold, and VIP plans for 6 months. And of course, you are able to see all the details. So one of the things that differentiates or sets us apart from a basic self-service platform is that we want you to understand as business owners that we are here to see you from inception to expansion. And so depending on the basic plan that works for you, you can choose whether you what of the services. So we offer business agreements of a specific number, legal consultation, change of name services, employment law advisory, a lot of advisory services which come as a package to business owners. Like I said, we want to build organically, so we are not just looking for people to pay and that's all. Then these are the annual plans, so you can choose to pay a 6-month plan or an annual plan, and you have access to all the services as you can see here. That being said, so that's So going back, you are basically able to do all this across all the services that are offered. And whether you want to register your business name, or you want to register your company, or you want to change your name. Like I stated, we still have other services, business name searches, which also go through the same process. Of course, you have a detailed explanation of that. If you want to do a change of name as well, you also have that available, and you're able to see everything that is required. Of course, you're also able to see the pricing plans that work for you. Great. So I'll be taking you now to, if you choose to register. Okay, so I'll just show you the contract generation platform. We already have preloaded contracts on the app. So all you have to do is basically choose to decide how you want to fill in your information, and whatever works for you, you are able to do that. So yes, here you are able to see all the contracts available, which are already preloaded. All you have to do is click whatever agreement you want, choose to make a subscription or a one-time payment, and you have access to your documents. And as you can see, so I've spoken a lot about the services available for users. However, let's do a deep dive into services for legal practitioners. So let's assume I want to register as a lawyer. So I just basically type in my details and my email. Of course, I can choose my password, and I confirm my password, and I choose to log in as a user, as a lawyer actually, and I can create my accounts, and I just wait. Usually I will get an email prompt, which basically helps me remember my. So because I have previously registered, I can now log in. So I would rather just log in as a lawyer, right? So I will just log in and see how it goes from there. Before I go to the lawyer login, before making payment, once payment is made, I will love to show you what happens after payment is made. So we basically have two options of data entry. You can choose to do the lazy man approach, which is to upload a snapshot of your information. And once you click that, we basically show you what you have to do. So you can choose to upload your snapshot like I showed earlier. And you can just tell us, okay, so I want to take a picture. I don't want the stress of having to fill forms. Okay, so taking us back a little. So if you want to, so we have your information, or you can choose to fill a form. So if you want to upload on a sheet of paper, you can do that. We are basically told of all the information that you need to put in, and you can take a snapshot, and you're good to go. However, if you choose to fill a form instead, you can choose to fill a form online, and of course the form takes it up from there. Basically, it's to give you the easiest means of data entry. So we'll be moving to the registration. Right, so we're at the dashboard, sorry, the login aspect for legal practitioners. So let's just say I want to log in, I want to create an account as a legal practitioner. And so I'm just putting my password, repeat it, and I choose my identity, and I say I'm going to log in as a lawyer, and I of course agree to the terms and conditions, and I simply create. So from here we see loading, and very, very easy. Basically, so I would basically log in. So it tells me that I can log in now. Sorry about that. So I basically sign. Okay, we're going to do that again. So I'm logging in as a lawyer, and let's see what happens. So by now it should take you to your dashboard, and you are basically meant to enter into some information. Great. So as you can see, you can see my screen. So here as legal practitioner, you are to complete your address. So let's just say number 17, Ikoyi Road. Choose your state. You can choose your state of residence. And of course, here you can also select areas of practice. So I'm going to click corporate, general litigation, and major area of practice, taxation, of course, filling the phone number. For the sake of this demo, I will just be using my name. And then I could just say, I am a legal practitioner with 10 years corporate experience, right? And here, so you basically are told the documents submit your means of ID, national ID, LLB certificate, your code to bar, of course, a passport photograph. We take verification very, very seriously. However, I will just be very quick to upload some documents. So documents that are allowed are documents, pictures, not PDFs. So let's just pick something. Then of course, once I look through my information and see that it's good, once that's filled, it begins to say awaiting lawyer verification, and we usually get a notification. So we are working on verifying your legal file, and you check back to confirm if your verification is successful. So as a lawyer, you can't do anything until you've been properly verified to receive tasks, and that's how we monitor proper compliance and all that. So very quickly, you can just log out or sign out of the application however you deem fit, and of course it takes you back to the login interface of the dashboard. So this is just a very short breakdown of how Sealed app works, and of course the mobile and app versions also give a more definitive experience. So thank you very much for being a part of this, and we do hope that we are able to come directly to you into your Android, iOS laptop devices, and we'll be looking forward to, being called and getting ahead in this competition. Thank you very much. And on behalf of our team at Sealed App, I want to say thank you to the organizers of the Innovation Hub. I'm thankful to the MBASBL, and I'm thankful to everyone, our conference participants. I do not take everyone for granted. Thank you very much. And I look forward to getting amazing feedback from everyone. Thank you, and have an amazing time while we look forward. Thank you.